All my wonderful friends, namaste and a big cheerful hello to everyone. My name is Anand Madhav Maurya. I am studying in class 2. I am so excited today. I am so thankful to my principal ma'am, Kajal ma'am and Rekha ma'am for giving me this amazing opportunity. You know our school is a big family where we learn so many things together. Today I want to share something special with you that makes our school even more awesome. It's a song that really inspires me. Have you heard of Bengali song? Ekla Chalo Re? It's a magical song which tells us to walk alone if we have to, but with courage and determination. So my dear friends, when you face a tough math problem or anything challenging, तो क्या करना है? Remember the words of this song. Ekla chalo re. Our parents, teachers and our friends are always there to support us, but we have to show our courage and determination to solve the issues by ourselves. Let's be brave, be kind and face every challenge with smile. We can make our school days with full of joy and learning. Thank